friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
Numerical solution of wave equation I am going to solve. That is, solve the wave equation dou square u by dou t square equal to 4 times dou square u by dou x square subject to the conditions u of 0 t equal to u of 4 comma t equal to 0 and ut partial derivative with respect to t at x comma 0 equal to 0 and u of x comma 0 equal to x times 4 minus x by taking the step length in x as h is equal to 1. First of all, let me compare this one with the standard form of wave equation. Okay, standard form of wave equation is dou square u by dou t square equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Therefore, my c square value is equal to 4 here. If c square equal to 4, then c is equal to plus or minus 2, but I am taking only plus 2 here. Okay, then by comparing the step length, they are given step length in x as h is equal to 1. Therefore, step length in t, k must be equal to h divided by c. To apply that explicit formula, by h value is 1 and c value is 2. Okay, therefore I can use it is equal to 0.5. okay, h is equal to 1, k is equal to 0.5 I have to use. Okay, then what is the equation? Because here one thing you can just check, what are my boundary conditions? U of 0 comma t equal to u of 4 comma t. Therefore, x is varying from 0 to 4 here. Okay, by the boundary conditions 0 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. X is varying from 0 to 4. Can be which is divided as x naught equal to first 0, then x1 is equal to x naught plus h. My x naught value is 0, h value is 1, therefore equal to 1. Next, x2 equal to x naught plus 2h. X naught is 0, 2 times h, 2 into h is 2. And x3 equal to x naught plus 3h, that is equal to 3. And x4 equal to x naught plus 4h, which is equal to 4. Therefore, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are divided into parts. Okay, like that, my t also I will divide equal up to t4 only. Okay, now t naught, initially t value, that is the time, is 0. Then t1 is equal to t naught plus k. K value is 0.5. Therefore, I am getting a 0.5. 0 plus 0.5. Next, t2 equal to t naught plus 2k. 2 into 0.5 is 1. Like that, t3 equal to t naught plus 3k. T naught is 0 and 3k will become 1.5. Like that, t4 is equal to t naught plus 4k, that is 2. Okay, therefore x and y also I have divided. Using these values of x and y values, I will form the table and I will come back here as while forming the mesh along columns I will take it as x values and along row value I will take it as t values. Therefore, this is my x naught. Okay, and x naught value from the table you can just check here, it is equal to 0. x1 as second row, that is equal to 1. x2 equal to 2. x3 equal to 3 and x4 equal to 4 I am going to use here. Like that, along the first column t values I will take, that is T0 equal to 0, T1 equal to 0.5, T2 equal to 1, T3 equal to 1.5 and T4 equal to 2. Now using this values, first this one, the suffixes I am going to use to notation them. Therefore first one will become u of 0 0, that is u of 0 0, u of x dot equal to 0, t not equal to 0, therefore its notation is u 0 0. This one is u 10, this is u20, this 2 and this suffix 2 I am using, u30, and this notation is u40 I am going to use. Like that, second row will become u of 0 1, u of 1 0 1 1, u of 2 1, u of 3 1, u of 4 1. Like that, I will write the remaining also, that is u of x first and then t, that is 0 2, u of 1 2, u of next 2 2, u of 3 1 3 2, u of 4 2, u of 0 3, u of 1 3, u of 2 3, u of 3 3, u of 4 3. Like that, last one u of 0 4, u of 1 4, u of 2 4, u of 3 4, u of 4 4. These values I have to calculate one by one. For to calculate them, I am going to use the initial conditions first. Okay, one by one I will come back here. Okay, now let me use the boundary conditions. By boundary conditions, u of 0 comma t, okay, that notations is nothing but 0, x equal to 0 is for x equal to 0 is for x naught equal to 0. Therefore I can write it as u of x naught comma tj I can write, correct, that is equal to u of 0 j, j values taking different values, but x value is 0, which is equal to 0. Therefore in your table u of 0 j, 0 first is 0, rest all j is taking for j equal to 0 1 2 3 and 4, all these values are 0. Therefore my first column values are 0. Using the condition u of 0 t, x naught, 0 is for x naught, tj, therefore 0 j, that is equal to 0, that is first column are 0 elements, correct. I will write in the table also, first column this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is also equal to 0, this is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0. Okay, like that, using another boundary condition. What is my another boundary condition here from that given for problem? By boundary condition u of 4 comma t equal to, and x equal to 4 is for, according to what I divided, x4 equal to 4. Therefore this one I can write it as u of x4 comma tj I can write, that is nothing but short notation u of 4j equal to 0 for again j equal to 0 1 2 3 and 4. What it shows then, u of 4 comma j, that is u of 4 comma j, last column, u of 4 0 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4, all these values are also 0, that is last column are 0 here, correct. Therefore u of 4 0 equal to 0, u of 4 1 equal to 0, u of 4 2 equal to 0 in the table, u of 4 3 equal to 0 and u of 4 4 also equal to 0 from the table. Okay, this is using two conditions. And next, using initial condition. What is my initial condition? Next one, my initial condition is next Now using the initial condition, last initial condition I will use. By initial condition, u of x comma 0 equal to x times 4 minus x. Okay, my short notations for this one is nothing but u of xi comma, correct, xi comma t naught, that is u of t naught is equal to 0, t naught is equal to 0 for t naught, that's why t naught I am using here. Therefore this is nothing but u of I comma 0, u of I comma 0, and is xi into 4 minus xi for I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me substitute one by one. Therefore u of 1 comma 0 equal to u of x1 comma 0. What is my x1 value? From the divided, what I divided, x1 is equal to 1. Using that, x1 into, before that 0 0 you can find out, I equal to 0. For confusion, let me find out x naught first. X naught into 4 minus x naught, but x naught value is 0. 0 into 4 minus 0 equal to 0. Like that, u1 comma 0, u10, that is u of x1 comma 0, x1 value x1 into 4 minus x1, but my x1 value is 1 into 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 I am going to get. Like that, u of 2 comma 0, u of x2 comma 0, my x2 into 4 minus x2, that is 2 into 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Like that, u of 3 comma 0 equal to u of x3 comma 0, that is x3 into 4 minus x3, that is x3 value is 3 into 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1 into 3 is 3. Like that, u of 4 comma 0 you can find out, that is u of x4 comma 0, that is x4 into 4 minus x4, that is 4 into 4 minus 4, but 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 into 4 is again 0. Using these values in the table, what I am going to get, okay, that is in the table, if I am going to use them, then what happens here, let us just find out. u00 equal to 0, u00 equal to already 0 is there. Next, u10 equal to 3, u10, that I will equal to 3 I will substitute. Like that, u20 is equal to 4, u20 equal to 4. Next, u30 equal to 3, and u40 equal to 0, and already it is there from the boundary conditions. Therefore, using this initial condition, I have calculated the first row elements. Okay, then to find the second row elements, let me use the another initial condition. Okay, by another initial condition, that is dou u by dou t, that is ut at 0 comma x comma 0 is equal to 0. But using this in explicit derivation, I derived the formula that is, which implies ui comma 1 is equal to 1 by 2 times ui minus 1 comma 1 0 plus ui plus 1 comma 0 for I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, therefore u0 comma 1 equal to 1 by 2 times, I am using I equal to 0, therefore minus 1, there does not exist, therefore I equal to 0 will not exist. Therefore let me start with the 1 1. For I equal to 1 1, I equal to 1, it will become u0 0 plus ui plus 1, I equal to 0, therefore it is I equal to 1, 1 plus 1 u2 comma 0, and these two already have calculated u00 and u20, its value are 0 and 4, therefore 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Like that I equal to 2, if I am using u21 equal to 1 by 2 times I equal to 2, I am using 2 minus 1, that is 1 comma 0, plus I equal to 2, 3 u3 comma 0, 1 by 2 times u10 already I calculated, that is 3, plus u30 also calculated, that is also 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is again 3. Like that I equal to 3 I can use u31 equal to 1 by 2 times u3 minus 1, 2 comma 0, plus ui plus 1, I is equal to 3, 4 comma 0, 1 by 2 times u20 is already 4 is there, 4 plus u40 is 0, which is equal to 2. If you are using I equal to 4, then it will become 5, but it does not exist, therefore 1 for 1 2 3 only. Substituting this u11 u21 u231 in the table, those values are nothing but okay, these values, that is what I can, u11 equal to 2, u11 is here, u11 is 2, like that u21 is 3, u21 is 3, then u31 is equal to 2, correct, that is equal to u31 equal to 2. This is nothing but a second row elements I calculated. These are nothing but a second row elements. Okay, therefore using all 4 conditions I calculated 2 columns and 2 rows. Then to find out these remaining 9 elements I will use the explicit formula. Now I will come back here. Now by explicit formula, that is ui comma j plus 1 is equal to ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j minus ui comma j minus 1. I am having formula. Therefore to find out this in the table, I want to calculate what here, u12 now. Therefore I equal to 1 and j equal to 2 is remained. Okay, therefore to get j equal to 2, j must be equal to 1. First one at j equal to 1, and for I equal to 1 2 3, that is let me use j equal to 1 and I equal to 1. I equal to 1, u1 comma 2 equal to, okay, u12 equal to I equal to 1 I am using, therefore u0, and it is j equal to 1 plus I equal to 1 and I equal to 1 means it is 2, j equal to 1, u21 minus I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, 0. Already these values I have been calculated here. To find out u12, u01, this value, okay, and u21, this value, diagonal value, that is I will use here 0 plus this value is 3 minus u10, the diagonal of this, correct, this diagonal first and then diagonal of these two will come 3. Okay, that is 3. I am going to get it as equal to 0. Therefore u12 is equal to 0. Similarly for j equal to 1 and I equal to 2 now, okay, next j equal to 1, I equal to 2, therefore 2 equal to 2, that is u22. To find out this u22, this becomes u of I equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, j equal to 1 plus I equal to 2 plus 1 3, j equal to 1, u31 minus u of j I equal to 2 and j minus 1, again it is a 0. And from the table you can just go through this, that I am going to get u11 element. From to find out u22, its diagonal element u11 element, it is a 2. Okay, and u22 again u31 is a 2 plus 2 minus these diagonal elements is nothing but 4, which is also equal to 0. Okay, therefore this also equal to 0. Next, to find out u32, I will use I equal to 3 and j equal to 1, that is u31 equal to, sorry, u32 equal to I equal to 3 means 3 minus 1 2 and j equal to 1, plus u I equal to 3 plus 1 4 and j equal to 1, minus u of 3 comma 0. From the table you can just check out u21 u32. To find out u21 is 3 plus u41 is 0 minus u30 is 3, therefore 3 minus 3 is again 0. This will give you the third row elements. Okay, like this. Okay, this mesh value, this one whatever I calculated, just you can check here. Explicit formula directly also using the table I can do now. That is, to find out u12, diagonal of this, both sides are upper diagonals, and diagonals of this one I calculated some minus that 0 plus 3 minus 3, therefore it is a 0. Like that, to find out this 2 element, diagonal 2 plus 2 minus 4 I have done. To find out u32, 3 plus 0 minus 3 equal to 0. Like that, without using explicit formula, in substitution, avoid confusion, to find out u13, I can use diagonal element 0 plus 0 minus 2, therefore it is equal to minus 2 I am getting. Like that, u23, 0 plus 0 minus 3 I am getting. To find out u33, diagonal element 0, this diagonal element 0 minus 2, which is also again minus 2. Then to find out this u14, diagonal element 0 plus u23, that is a 0 plus of minus 3, and this is again 0, that is equal to minus 3 I am getting. To find out u24, minus 2 minus 4, and the diagonal element of this is 0, that is equal to minus 4 I am getting. Like that, u34, minus 3 plus 0, diagonal elements minus 3 plus 0 minus 0 equal to minus 3. Then using these values, I can form the table, and any value I can find out in between. Okay, using this, any value I can find out. Like this is the solution of the wave equation. Like this, one more or two more examples on this two-dimensional wave equation I am going to solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.